Once upon a time, there was a little red hen. She lived on a farm with her chicks, a pig, a dog, and a duck. The little red hen liked to stay busy. She worked hard every day pecking for food to take care of her little chicks. One day, the little red hen found a grain of wheat. She said, "Who will help me plant the wheat?" The pig said, "Not I." The dog said, "Not I." The duck said, "Not I." So the little red hen said, "Then I will." And she did. The little red hen worked hard taking care of the seed. The wheat soon started to grow. After a while, the wheat grew tall and yellow. One day she said, "Who will help me cut the wheat?" "Not I," oinked the pig. "Not I," barked the dog. "Not I," quacked the duck. "Then I will," said the little red hen, and she did. Next, she said, "Who will help me grind the wheat into flour?" "Not I," said the pig. "Not I," said the duck. "Not I," said the dog. So the little red hen did it herself. Then she said, "Who will help me make the bread?" "Not I," quacked the duck. "Not I," oinked the pig. "Not I," barked the dog. The little red hen smiled and said, "Then I will." The little red hen worked at stirring and mixing the flour. The pig, dog, and duck watched her. After a while, the mixed flour was ready to bake. Next, the little red hen fired up the oven. She then put the mixed flour in the oven. Soon, a baking bread aroma filled the room. It smelled warm and yummy. At last she said, "Who will help me eat the bread?" "I will," said the pig. "I will," said the dog. "I will," said the duck. But the little red hen said, "No, you won't. You didn't help. I did the work." The pig, the dog, and the duck were not happy. They were hungry, and the bread smelled so good. Instead, she shared the bread with her little chicks. They were happy, and the little red hen was happy too. The moral of the Little Red Hen story is that hard work and responsibility lead to rewards. The story teaches that those who are willing to help and put in effort deserve to enjoy the results of their work, while those who choose not to participate should not expect to share in the benefits. It also encourages cooperation, fairness, and taking responsibility for one's choices.
Every dream begins so small, like a seed beside the road.
Some will wait for luck to come, some will carry their own load.
The sun will rise,
the seasons change,
but nothing grows
if we stand and wait.
If you want the harvest,
you must plant the grain.
if you want the rainbow,
You must walk through rain.
every blessing has a price.
Every mountain has a climb.
The hands that work with hope and heart will see their moment shine.
Some may watch from far away,
while another does the work.
then they're surprised when good things come to the one who never shirked.
The road is long,
The days are slow,
but step by step
the gardens grow. If you want the harvest,
you must plant the grain.
if you want the sunshine,
You must welcome rain.
for the table will be fullest.
For the ones who help prepare,
The hands that worked from start to end
will always have their share. So remember when the work begins,
and others choose to wait.
the seeds we plant with willing hearts
Become tomorrow.